Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to join hide and seek or parkour party without adding friends in Heartopia. So in Heartopia, you can enjoy fun gameplays event like hide and seek party or parkour party even if you don't have any friends added. First, you can create your own party at your house. And if you don't know how to host a party yet, just check the tutorial link in the description below to watch the tutorial. And then another easy way is by using the quick join feature. Just tap on the globe icon and then just tap on the get at heart party. This one. And then in here just tap on the go to party festival like this, and then in here, you will see a list of available party groups that you can choose either hide and seek party or parkour party. Just look for a party that is still marked as in preparations, for example, like this or like this. And then next, just tap on it. And then in here, just simply tap on confirm joins, and you will be teleported directly to the party locations. And if the party is hosted in a different town, your character will automatically move there. And however, if that town is already at full capacity, you can still join the gameplay as a visitor. It, that means you will be able to participate in the event without moving your home to that town. And okay, that's it. A quick and easy way to play hide and seek party or parkour party with random players without adding friends. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!